Hey guys, Lan here on Grady's Mom. I have an Aldi grocery haul here. There's most likely going to be another grocery haul after this one that I'm going to have to just go, to a different store later in the week. But anyways, this haul was $60.99, so let's call it $61. And I'm going to start as usual on this side and work my way over to the other side. So first thing I got was this baby spinach and arugula mix because I like to have salads for lunch and side salads with dinner. I am excited about these. They're the everything brioche buns, and I'm actually going to try some chicken sandwiches on these. I'll show you guys the chicken in a minute. I got this low-fat Greek yogurt in Crazy Coconut for Matt. It's one of those like flip style yogurts. I've never tried this brand, so I did only get one in case he doesn't like it because he can be a little bit particular about yogurt, so we'll see how that goes. I got some raspberries. I already have some strawberries and blueberries in the fridge from last week. This I get almost every time I go to Aldi. I don't go to Aldi that often. It's just kind of in a different area than I usually go, but today I was near there. I had to do some returns at another store and I was just right by there, so I went. But anyways, these are the fully cooked pork sausage patties. I use these a lot on my husband's breakfast sandwiches. I also got this chickpea salad. It says chickpeas and edamame with a mix of cranberry, carrot, and bell pepper. I thought I would just put a little bit of this, like spoon a little bit onto like my salads. I'm probably going to do that today actually. I got some sweet butter blend. It's like the red and green butter lettuce to mix with the baby spinach and arugula for salads. I got a backup mustard. This is just a Dijon mustard, and a ketchup because we are getting low on both because it's that time of year where we have a lot of barbecues and we go through it on a pretty regular basis anyways. I got the sharp cheddar sliced cheese for burgers, sandwiches, and those chicken sandwiches that I'll talk about in a second. A seedless cucumber for salads, as well as some little cherry tomatoes. I also got some string cheese. It's just the mozzarella string cheese for Matt. Some sweet corn that I think I'm going to throw on the grill. I just wrap it in foil, brush it with garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of butter, and put it on the grill. It's really tasty that way. I just ran out of my everything but the bagel seasoning, or everything bagel seasoning, whatever you want to call it. So I did get another one at Aldi, and I love this stuff. I got some of their pesto. I've got this exact pesto many times before. It's really tasty. I got 2 cans of large olives for snacking, for pasta salads, things like that. Some of their peanut, dark chocolate, and almond protein chewy granola bars. Some chocolate chip little mini muffins in the individual packs. This is a chicken I keep hearing about. Let me know if you've tried this, if you're an Aldi shopper, because I've heard about this on multiple places. From friends, on Instagram, on TikTok. I think I've even seen it like on Facebook. But I keep hearing about the red bag, specifically chicken breast, fully cooked chicken breast fillets. And I keep seeing like different recipes pop up. So I'm going to try my hand and try it, give this a shot. I'm going to bake these till they're crispy. And then I'm going to put cheese on them, and then probably like sliced tomato, maybe some onion, and then some kind of condiment. And I'm going to put them on these everything bagel brioche buns, and I'm going to toast these buns. I think they'll be really tasty. So I'm excited to try these because I'm not a huge chicken breast fan, but I do try to find different ways to like incorporate it. I also found these golden kiwis. A bunch of you guys told me about these in different grocery hauls whenever I would get like regular kiwis. A bunch of you guys said to try the golden kiwis, so I'm very excited to try these and pack them for Matt's lunch as well. I got some bananas. I normally do not buy organic, but all the non-organic ones were like super green, and we do go through quite a bit of bananas. I would say about maybe 6 to 10 a week between the 3 of us. So I did just grab these because they were some of the few that were actually already getting towards ripe. I got 2 dozen eggs. I have been using my little hard-boiled egg maker constantly. My husband loves hard-boiled eggs, and I actually like to cut them up and put them on salads. So I did just get 2 dozen of those. We needed sugar for coffee. I get one of these big boys, I don't know, every few months. and just use it for whatever I need it for. And then I got Grady's little Danimal Shooty smoothie cups. We are almost out of the last pack. I think it's a 12 pack, so he has one a day, so obviously one pack lasts us 12 days. And that's everything I grabbed. Again, $61, and then just keep on watching for the next haul coming up. Alright, so I've got some stuff from BJ's, some stuff from Fresh Market that I'm going to share with you to finish out this video. So BJ's and the Fresh Market are right near each other, not far from each other. So I did get these Fruit 2O waters. This is a variety pack with strawberry, lemon, grape, and raspberry. So that'll last a good long while. I got one of these, I don't know, 6 weeks ago or so, and we just finished the last case. I got our Persil laundry detergent. This is a Pro Clean Original, which I get all the time. Some of the Goldfish baked cheddar crackers. These are the 3 like resealable bags. This is the coffee that we drink. It's the Maxwell House K-Cup in the House Blend. It's like a medium roast. It's really good. And then some of the Welch's, I can move this, fruit snacks in the mixed fruit blue box. I did get a 42-pound bag of cat litter, so this will last us for a while for the cat. And then I got some Bounty paper towels. These are like the Selecta-size one. And then I also got some Scott brand toilet paper. So we're stocked up on this, I would imagine, for the whole summer into the fall. And then also we went to the Fresh Market, like I mentioned, and I got a bunch of meat. As you can see, they have their meats on sale for $2.99 a pound on certain days of the week. So anyways, I got some ground beef, some chicken breasts. There's a couple chicken thighs in here, and in the basement freezer I still have, I think, like 2 chicken breasts, 2 ground beef, and then I have like pork chops, bacon, sausage. So I really just needed beef and chicken to stock up the basement freezer with, since we do a lot of grilling and burgers and things like that. So that's everything I picked up today. Honestly, don't know what I spent, guys. I just, it's so hot right now and humid that I really can't remember my total for everything, but that's what I picked up. I'm going to share the meal plan now for next week. Alright, so meal plan, I am filming this like 10 hours before you guys see this video. I have been nonstop all week. It was Grady's first week of summer break, and I had off for the week, and we were literally nonstop from sunup till sundown every single day this entire week. Literally, it is 9 o'clock at night on Thursday night, and I'm literally just sitting down after a long, busy day. We did a bunch of stuff. Grady had therapy. He had his martial arts class, and I'm just remembered that I need to get this up tomorrow. So the meal plan for the upcoming week or next week, one night I'm going to do some shrimp Caesar salads. I have everything I need to make those. We're probably going to grill the shrimp on the barbecue grill. I'm going to do corn chowder one night with bread. I think I have a corn chowder recipe that I will link down below. It's a Pioneer Woman recipe, and it's really tasty. We are going to do takeout with some friends on Thursday. It was already planned out, so we're just going to get together with some friends and have some takeout and just have a big feast. Another night we're going to do some ribs on the grill with potato salad and coleslaw. I'm going to do chicken wings on the grill one night with veggie skewers and a side salad. And then another night I'm going to make turkey mini meatloaves with baked potatoes and green beans. And then, as always, I have my freebie night. So anyways, sorry this was so last minute. Hopefully I can get on the ball a little bit better next week when things are a little bit back to normal, kind of. But anyways, I hope you have a great weekend and a happy 4th of July. Be safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.